All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor light, and this is a power light, right? It's not solar or anything else. It's just a regular light, but beautiful design. It has glass in all sides, right? All sides, all four sides. It takes up to 100 watts light bulb, all right? This is very simple to set up. All you got to do is you got your neutral, your hot, and your ground, and everything's included in here, including the actual mount. Make sure you have a strong mount. If this is going to go out there and you put on stucco, make sure you're hitting a stud or something, or this is going to fall. This is a little heavy because of the glass, but we're going to set it up, and it comes with a beautiful design that this incorporates this part on the top, and it looks fabulous. So we're going to put it together and see how it looks in the night. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Then we're going to do one screw first. Make sure you have everything in hand. If you're doing this high in the ceilings or by the wall or high walls or something, make sure you have everything prepared or somebody to help you. Here's a beautiful design. I like the loop. It's like, looks like a lantern that you hold, all right? It's a beautiful design, all glass. We're going to set up our light bulbs. All right, let's take a look at the actual fixture for outdoor. Beautiful glass. You could set up your light bulb. In this, we set up an LED light, and it is completely bright out here. So if you're gonna set two of them up in your garage entrances or maybe your patio, this is a perfect way. Now, these are outdoor graded, so they're for outdoors. They look like beautiful little lanterns at night, and they do reflect with the glass. And depending on the light bulb, your lumens are gonna be as bright or low depending on your light bulb. Like I said, if you want to add dimmers, you can do that too. You can control the dimmers if you're going to do it indoor or outdoor, but it's beautiful by itself. It's all glass all around it. Easy to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.